When it comes to enhancing the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetics of your home, replacing old or damaged windows is one of the best investments you can make. However, with so many options available, choosing the right window replacement company in Lexington can be a daunting task. It's essential to select a company that aligns with your needs, budget, and expectations. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you choose the best window replacement company for your home. Do your research and gather recommendations. The first step in finding the best window replacement company is research. Start by asking for recommendations from friends, family, neighbors, or online community groups in Lexington. Word-of-mouth referrals are often the most reliable since they come from trusted individuals who have had first-hand experience with local companies. In addition, take the time to look at online reviews and testimonials. Many companies have customer reviews on their website, but also check third-party platforms like Google or Yelp to get a balanced view. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to understand the company's strengths and potential weaknesses. Check for licensing and insurance before moving forward with any company. Make sure they are properly licensed and insured. This is an important factor to ensure that the company is legitimate and follows industry regulations. A licensed window replacement company adheres to local building codes and guidelines, ensuring that the work is completed to a high standard. Insurance is equally crucial, as it protects you from liability in the event of accidents or damage during the installation process. Evaluate experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to window replacement. Look for a company that has been in the industry for several years and has a track record of successfully completing projects in Lexington and the surrounding areas. A well-established company will likely have a deeper knowledge of different window types, installation techniques, and local climate considerations. Ask the company about their experience with various types of windows, such as double-hung, casement, or sliding windows. The more experience the company has with the type of window you're interested in, the more likely they are to provide a high-quality installation. Get multiple estimates. It's always a good idea to get estimates from at least 3 different window replacement companies. While price shouldn't be the only factor you consider, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what you'll be paying. The estimates should include a breakdown of all costs, including labor, materials, and any additional fees. Keep in mind that the lowest price isn't always the best deal. If a company offers significantly lower prices than the competition, they may be cutting corners or using subpar materials. Conversely, a higher price doesn't necessarily guarantee superior quality. Evaluate each estimate carefully and choose the company that provides the best value for your needs and budget. Assess the company's customer service. Great customer service is crucial when selecting a window replacement company. From your initial phone call to the completion of the project, you should feel that the company is responsive, courteous, and professional. During the consultation, observe how the company's representatives treat you. Do they answer your questions thoroughly? Are they willing to provide detailed explanations and options? Additionally, a company that values customer satisfaction will stand by their work with solid warranties and post-installation support. Make sure to ask about the warranty on the windows themselves as well as the installation. A comprehensive warranty can give you peace of mind, knowing that the company will stand behind their work. Review the window selection. The variety and quality of windows offered by the company should also be a top consideration. Different window materials, such as vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum, come with distinct benefits. A reputable window replacement company in Lexington should offer a range of window styles and materials, ensuring you find an option that fits your needs, style preferences, and budget. Moreover, the company should be knowledgeable about energy-efficient windows, as they can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Ask about the energy performance ratings of the windows they offer, as well as any available tax incentives or rebates for installing energy-efficient windows. Conclusion: choosing the best window replacement company in Lexington requires a bit of effort, but the results will be well worth it. By doing your research, evaluating experience and customer service, and getting multiple estimates, you can make an informed decision. With the right company, you can enhance your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and overall comfort for years to come.